Fane what you in a higher Onua 95.1 Adwuma Adwuma. And ye knew a brimpon e bebon komo. Ye call brimpon and this year concron patches a yemfani niago or my you. Won't to me high life musicians bear 5 for crowd won't to me say me refi braid in there be. Ye ne Kwaisey pokua there a dodo na nim se friend Kwaisey P. What I say? 2007 on the best male vocal artist ewo Ghana Music Awards. Our albums bebree 7 solid albums or feature and quality so also album no mu nnwom no untumi enka se radio ankoyi na radio koyi ni nyina ye solid to se watena se atwro enye se opɛ hit song into church on biara watena se ase na daje at the time aguso at the pour passion into the song or one of the artists omoto nyom de makomato experience kakra penyumo futuo kakra na atisem so kakra che se onim ne otro no nyum na to bi ache but ne ye beto so it say nyum dey say enche because yes we are relating to the lyrics of the song. He's a legend. What I say, he's a legend. O papa ye obi otonyum and ono so say ya otonyum Kwaisey P be pacho akwaba. Aye.
Which is Adwuma no ubetimi ayakwani. So
Medas. Aba bi mpanya min sure say to yen safre wo. Wo baaye. Ye ka se Kwaisey P ye hwan. Ye nim se ye legend but ye pese hu mmofra ase. Onyini wo hen ye wo hen.
Okay. Kwaisey P onyum to fo a ofri enyum to abusu. Said Audi can ne papa ayo on to focus here and nam ne papa so on also Adwuma chede no bi abede abepie or so and asa abesono so ya wo mi okumase
o say krom this year
ya wo mi okumase alaba na etine ahona abi metimi akase wo but me na me party asafo.
Okay.
Which is asafo na say on a stadium no.
Aye.
Nti hona na party. Nti because na me papa nchen. And I think me fi me papa nchen no. Me papa anya me na me fi me papa nchen anyway because school ha madia.
Oh okay. Okay.
Anya me na me fi papa nchen me papa tu fi Kumasi. Ebetena atema papa etufi Kumasi betena atema nti me papa ebe atema no na me ne ba nti no me ba atema at the age of 6-7 years.
Okay, nti wan kwa me dia SS primary
dabi na me beto aso that to so atema.
Okay.
Nti tema na ma bo me brain na akosi se me tu kwan kwa buchi.
Oh wow.
Yeah, nti no me papa was my 4. Me na me tosu me.
Second born.
Yes. And I feel so apart from me tosu me and I make Cotton London for some years, couple of years. But he said I'm Ghana.
He said all Ghana.
Oh my Ghana since 2007, but it's just I am a swing by.
Aye. Kuchao.
U10 but 2007 I decided to because Adwuma na you know say who ni Ghana I most of the time you know you crew for the refugee enter
no crap
and you know me decided say my mama 9 because my mama 9 in you know, and come sure say come do baby me do.
Why am I 19 or Ghana? Not so yet, Numtunia, and that's a creative art person. Won't call my dream.
That's right. And you know, so I don't think I may decide say, and there's some year Juma way there. As I said, me tea.
It's here for said and common I then you could try and one ban. I see a town common so. Yet that must be brave, say more to me, say more bram with the money a bon common nano penny. I mean, Shram was a fin what you need in a member room is a high union 95.1. And a program no so ye a juma ye ne, Kwaisey P in edge trunk common. Say ya Kwaisey P. Patron I am town common so. And Tim Rabbi, I would decide to say, I want to do music like my father.
Yeah, some Americans say, me papa, Ayana, you can't say, on another junior, and say, opposite me, football. But football, no meant me, so I think it was at the age of 17, and you know. No, Hiamwa in terms of kind of saying copyright singer. And sometimes when I'm so, yeah, musician feature, I am a 1 2 1 2 1 2. And you know, they feel say it's best say I'm obey you to me the eye. So I started from at the age of 17.
At the age of 17.
Yeah.
Obi babies are saying now, Kwaisey P papa no one, papa ne eje ko of Yamwa and Sunsun Mystic Band.
That's right. Yes, you're right.
Say be na wo beka say na Felicia no fiti ya no say o join no papa Mr. Ne papa ne eje ko of Yamwa and Sunsun Mystic Band. At the age of 17 now, so okay. Say the me one idea. You've developed passion for the job.
Yeah.
I want to show first single now.
Oh, that be and my first album there. I think me too kind.
Okay.
Me too kind collaboration. And I show my first album.
Oh wow. Auntie, I didn't see now feel Papa Band no. 1994. We feel Papa Band 1994, right?
94, yes.
94. And I'll join a Sikredwa band. No?
Yes.
I didn't see now feel Papa Band. No?
Oh, sir, you know, in any you can say abrabono. I mean, it do baby as sanity. Me just sure say seven brothers am sure me count. Me just so better now we see that we do baby no you might want to move on and you know step up your game, yeah. So that's what happened. Because now me per se you can say me timi e komanim e wo anyum tuo nim na afi you know me
try experience or we for so
yes na me try me taba mu ya and nti and am me decide say okay ne you know I was say me pay a fence group for admin
I don't join
it yeah enya skedwanko a me bo jolaka me was sikejano crowd na uma me ko bo shabo e Kumasi GPR2 for ban enti sikeja GPR2 Butterfly 6 na me bo ban be crowd dankwa Sounds Unlimited no different bands you know so I wanted to have that the kind of an experience and you know broad mind of
yeah mo ho na o share kodwan china na
yeah mo ho na
na dey na era now also in errands boy
na me fufu nyina na me boy na me boy
na o boa no ma na ye ni fie adwuma
oh bibia oh kwesi beji koto we bra be wo fufu ye say oh na me ni na
but say no so boa o kan bi
so of course say we ase bia no you see you can kasa bi say am say akwapa no kwarfo so I believe say o serve ya udia wo ye no etimi ye den eyeye obi a on pese obesom no So what if you cry na maame no papa no na ye say koye we na so me nko this is pesa obesoma I don't think say so me develop this idea no and I'm the obuo ni awrase ka ho so me sua ne ma bebre
and abo abeti same way no
yes eno na akura me abo me abeti same
into he ye mu mimi age for na ye bonyum na won say we mu bi ni ahobrase
oh baby dodo na
majority of us
dodo na
I hear omo a say they osi bro ho ase ko kojo ntwi
ani yen baby akonnante ni osum a yasum ani you know nyoma ya fam mu ni ade no mo no because of social media anti no because of social media anti no omo no they don't care because ono no oba ye na oye nyum ba akona odi to social media na e blow ye no eno ano no anti no onim how a obeka se besum ana se okodi obi achi kosum no ne se
konantene na se ko suan cheche
no anti no eno na ma omo hu ni se you know they are there or modu
but they are not
well I know yeah we say time will tell
yeah and komo bro mo ho asesua ne ba komenu bi a e wo mo se waduru ho de but
because bidofo adwuma we it's not about why you hitting kwao it takes a lot even to sustain me mawaha 22 years my world game we mu adwuma we mu memfa maybe I'm starting fee yanka
Debbie
me starting my album the first album was the year 2000 and you know 22 years in and I'm still here and then I'm me to anymore me by me still are me promote enyum so it's not about making a hit and then now we make hit now if is our top no and na ehia is about how you sustain. What did them guys? I've been here 22 years, and then my year nyuma ba ayele obia ayeden any aje obia to obia vibe to it. 22 years. So busa ho say we a young artist na say waba na never hit it na say the kind of saying who make it na say according to me faboga enya so an but I said in 22 years where are you going to be
22 crowd wa 22 is so long
anything I say we are so ni panyini beko
na so
hwidim 22 years I'm still here
yes
making music
and relevant yes you are still here relevant
exactly so ask yourself now person because you're on top
you're making headlines
you're making trendy all those stuff but I was saying in 22 years as I am na me almost still am that's Gina have me Gina me now but I said where are you going to be in 22 years that is the question people say the young ones mo busa mo
ntimo amutie no enya nyom ko a o adwuma wo ye bia bisa ho say in the next 10 years you 22 no ma 10 years no are you going to be still relevant and I say wa homa so ne eni enso ade esemti no e be hohoro se mpo anu anwa nti ukotena kodwa ntwinchen no otwiti wo nice
oh tena de man tena nchen
na me call
na me you know na me call like me or baby ameti but yeah like especially this time this year do December oh majuma ba ka December majuma ba brutal because December na ya okoto it December around this time no oh majuma ba twa me ho sa so I mean net
making impact
net yeah. But for me is a sharing and a mama suya there you know for me I think it's a blessing in disguise.
Yeah. Aside music what you doing
na me yet transportation
okay
but trust me and also yeah another conversation
altogether
you know yeah na me yet transportation Uber cars and
oh, okay
but like I said yeah
a different yes yeah. For another day
yeah
Unyini nankasa na pese oto nyoma na na wo different career na pese o.
Me to be honest with you, you know, now I wanted to be a electrician. Like an electrician say light like electronics. Now I'm pursuing electronics. Say, you know, repairing stuff like technical. Yeah, so I wanted to go to a technical school, to be honest. I wanted to go to a technical school. What I say, but so I dream now. The movie and say, the mic I shall even though my papa not on pet me being a musician, no, but I'm about football, you know. But look, in you know, my dear, and ne ubeti mi atena console yechi. Say nyankopon say nyane na ye wadwuma.
Enye wadwuma.
Bones the next day you betina
me a pilot, me fly airplane.
What I say?
Okay.
Yeah, and you know, you kind of say sana tie. And nothing na abrofo no. Yeah, decision be a omoma be take you know. Omoni omo munya dey empre.
Won chi be bebre sa.
But yeah na ubezo ye bibia na ye busuafo no. Ye ma me ne papa no. Is that obe head doctor and a lawyer. Sa no ma mienu we ana engineer. Why yes I know mama and some way. Your mentality
which is bad. But I think say almost so much on yama bebre hu.
Eh good. Ebeboa.
Say nkofo person ma bobo. Omo ba to
say omo hu sika wo. Omo hu sika wo. First no we musician, we footballer, we kuhwini.
Okay.
You know, now no a good say they are omo ye enlightened. They know because Charlie once son because they say internet aba computers they say ya phones ya because you kind of say 22 years ago my first time in Ghana if you have Sheba Ghana mobile me mobile phone me na okay na I said anyway be pair and I soon we acting we kakra but they be who Ghana ni be see say
and the TV
because na me ye guy ni gina on that phone ring no mfa na obi as na one phone na ringi one we say who say ni dey be say etino ontimi mfa so that say but they say phone be na kuta we kitin yes na so
never advance it
yeah.
Matthias say, do you think say Ghana music industry it needs amendments? Here never be ready to shame and nema ya kama.
So on say no there ya can but I don't know when it's going to change. See me, I'm a different breed altogether because of where I've lived for years. But I say, oh, there was and I'm but wait I'm friend be use why video be no go me you Auntie Linda baby I will be a Yamisha yeah Yamisha uti wa okotina for years oba you know you realize there's a lot yakechi what I say it be cry sometimes because I say in fact me papa nyame fa ne kransi edi se wan fa me anko abrocha se nka me so se na nka me metena Ghana aye
olutina mai abatena Ghana aye saying
Charlie adwene e de tikuro mu ara e serious o ya adwene no I'm telling you ya adwene the mentality and the kind of saying mindset na they work room one they be I na me can say me and come where she say obia betimi to kwan because my dear the moment I be to kwan they could do 1 year pe oba wadwen
different
yeah anything anyway empenyu for no mo Ghana no mo holidays keke
Monko tena ho.
Omo call holidays intina still are no madwin here the same no. But ntisa say wakotena abrochi pa for 1 year, 2 years. Now ba you have a different mindset. Oh, even though omo hu the ekoso any ade but according to say onya fi ho be wura Ghana omo ka no ho na omo ye adwuma no bia ye to same line nti no on timi got di life for one here crowd na adwuma be bo no nti ono so be dim sa
nke nya konya ko da ye ho aba akotena ho a
ka be hu
ka nema be sesa
nti no eno na ama me ntimi nka because me kai say me buy no I was trying to preach and advocate for that, but there were a lot of bashing. Oh, to know ada abruche nkwa no akotena and all so many things. Oh, Kusipedia and minimum born or arrogant or to say so many things. So now my relax moment.
Don't pay me omunye.
What does it?
Fama wa na fama wa.
Nem pay for say be gu enya hwe. Yenyina yewo you can say Banana Island and Animal's Kingdom. Which of them? Yenyina egum, you know. Ya pepre now unsa so bi mu a. Ya na wafa. Unsa so bi mu so a utiate. Sana ze akwenti no. Kana music ni there. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. And you will be the part.
No, you don't hold him to
because you can't go see part.
You said in an interview, say, you don't see Haja for you as a musician. I didn't hear.
Oh, you see, say Ghana no. I say you know. I mean, Bibia title be a demo. The only musician, Grams, or a musician.
No, no musician. I can recognize all my musicians.
What I say. When you decide boss body no too so say we a musician. My dear, it takes a lot. It takes a lot. Nyanu bi metize na guy bi HH mu Hit FM. But Onua o kan asem na no san you know o deviate here na akọ it say you can say or contradicting him. What did the American say? Musician takes a lot. Somebody who plays instruments,
not just the music.
No. Obia, you know, Otimi, I arrange songs, compose on one, you know, it takes a lot to be a musician. But people don't know it. Ghana, the man who said, we never hate a musician. But that's not what it is. Our professor will be a friend or artist and kind of
song singer.
What I says, Bibi. Oh, I say, excuse me to say, Ghana will be a celebrity.
Yeah.
Ghana will be a celebrity. Would you, you kind of say, wachi ana osire ho emeto social media na nkofo mbo just say hey na Felicia picture be or there too now trendy 1 month we are celebrity
you can celebrate no why
masa obi or impact society enye obi akeke se ma yiyi me nufu ho ama se say ana say sebe me madimade ja beto abonten ma manfo oboje so na ya tag or celebrity. To me, it doesn't make sense. What did I say? Celebrity is someone who will be or impact society. Even though the definition our dictionary must say a public figure and as a popular person.
Yes.
But to me, you know, so a popular person na Ghana kano. Omo the ma obia se be on live a decent life. But we a celebrity. Try as much as possible to live a decent life.
It is to be recognized in the society now.
Saying social media attention seekers. That title now say the mom. And yet celebrity title now say the mom. No, they don't. They don't. To be honest with you, me cry me dey be am can say senka say sa no mo can say definition is say a popular person or yeah celebrity enka me wa akonya enka me sense that definition
Kabe anything.
Because ebi na make because obia obeye nyoma bia keke oba any attention bia celebrity. It doesn't make sense.
Because first all working hard.
What I say?
To end the title.
Exactly. Until why do you tag everybody?
It be a fan form.
Nah, yes, it's a celebrity.
Oh, celebrity.
Me ti word na bibi ya. Sa word celebrity. Media they be make us a mom friend sir.
Oh, mama na common.
Oh yeah, too common.
And 2%.
Me who the you can say public figure na bibi or something bibi but that word celebrity. What they move for bibi akeke mami but word celebrity no there. E twa me nsu no mu kra.
Celebrity the ka obe kwasi yo.
Oh yeah, because Ghana obia is celebrity. Obia. Na me tisa word na bibi ya. How there?
What share TikTokers ni bi?
Me share bi.
Omo ye celebrities and omo ye celebrities.
Who the first person am share?
Oh, yeah, celebrities and say celebrities. She say them me there. She say me na busa question. Debbie. She say me na busa question. To omo ye celebrities and omo ye celebrities.
Who person just title no?
Debbie, who Debbie busa?
Me na me ko kasa konfo anoko. Ana say blue are.
Na say ye celebrities.
Me pacho minim.
Na say mo be brain impact society no.
Okay, some will live a decent life. Once I'm more rural money there, we okay.
Debbie and Rory.
And we okay.
Into celebrities.
Sunday I in Ghana for the mama now one. Ghana for the mama no one.
But some TikTok videos.
The only said one thing minti me no.
What do we have videos?
My cake bruta.
Oh,
Nancy Anna your friends and managers and say me your friends
outmoded. Be current.
And I'm starting.
Into your board that then I did entertain
me football.
Oh, have football.
I got some football.
And that's all by share.
Football. And now movies.
And
I'm me computer home. All day.
Yes, so social media be our fan.
Me that be.
See we are say say I go to social media. Over share them mama na beto.
Me feel for mama. Ya me you be mama mama.
Na nti who social media ho fa so ana.
Oh, I didn't hear. One for so but it's just that as I say me a time social media no. Social media a time brutal. A time. Only time forget it. A time, you know. I am maybe spending more time in doing music than say, you know, kind of saying.
But anything different.
But me share so. Uma me fa phone na me hwɛ ewu ana bibia be flash na ma hwɛ a ebi esere ebi so yeah
ebi so ntiase
but say me ti ho da bia na me post nyoma on sa ade
na wo ye engagement ni ade
me ti mi nye
it one the handle social media platforms ma
obi ene ho
1 hour 1 hour ade into posted the kwa nko hwɛ de
me ana me ye ma
1 hour ade o manager anya bibia sa ma
there be social media there they do other things but social media there me yeah but see you know I think it has to change
yes
it has to change
now who near koso
yeah
your surroundings near AC near ABC
yeah
near 2021 osa win best vocal artist
22
20 this year
this year
hey time flies this year
we need to grab in France and
Ghana yes let's just say solid obia dia to FDA phone nyina how does it make you feel
see when sound my way no am on crunch even if you're not you're kind of saying we need a crana it makes you full. What did I say?
Yes.
It makes you full because at the end of the day, this is what you want to achieve. Go now, you know, it looks like what and I say wahu ho no wo adwuma na
oye no
because obiara yɛ adwuma a opɛ sɛ onya abasobɔdeɛ nti sɛ abasobɔdeɛ ne mma na it means that obiara and care about adwuma na woyɛ but once abasobɔdeɛ bɛba baako mmienu mmiɛnsa no then wonim sɛ
agya watom deɛ woyɛ na foforɔ so ahu nti wobɛka ne sɛ
they feel very great.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Into Uber can say from what you are saying, Uber can say I was the determined performance now.
Oh, Debbie.
When you award crana.
Me okay. On say oh yes starting no can say be. I am the pa we introduction no. O can be say papa we and bra we enyuma oye no onye say because of say enyuma no ye hit kick.
Yes, o tro to nya daje edo passion go.
This is what I do. Fiti from day one I'm starting music. Me cheda nyanyum say enyum we dey me be yam because me say hit. No, I do because me be sua bibi from me papa more time. It me tietie omonyum omoye no. Utie bia na it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense.
Even till now.
Utie me papa omonyum bi say semenye na ti say
Yes.
You know, I have a great song adawa betimi atutu be abobo bebre so.
Na sanyum no so bi anchirema nchira onka say old song go.
What you say?
Yes.
So eno na ma me idea say no then me pese me ye nwum bia na excuse say indomie pa show.
Ne dey wi.
No. Say me ye nwum 20, 30, 40, 50, even if I'm not mini ho krana because my papa only ho omuni ho but still nwum no.
You so bo.
Now, you know, from generation to generation. What you say?
Yes.
So that's me my dreaming in what you say?
Yes. Yes. Onyo bena oto ya be si na otena say nwum die. What the passion show nwum pa o.
Yeah.
But onyo bena most of the time, so we say musicians, so I didn't sing it from experience. Oh, Debbie, oh, me hear me artists, me hear me fans. And you better to say you with them, the me, I'm on two year. This is so powerful because passion it didn't yet chino. I felt it.
And you been cry. Mean to me pinpoint, but and you ubusam and you might. Me nyuma ya me dead ya metimi aka but de enyuma meka se di me hu nyina shemu like a passion no metimi pinpoint. I think say ni nyina me di me hu rem but maybe I can point out
enyuma ya ode onyum be na ya ode pa
America Bonnie papa no hanko boy mouth America Bonnie America Bonnie is one of the songs that I mean they be a TV still I'm falling in love with it.
One out show you.
Yes. They be a America Bonnie be I'm falling in love with it. And no so nyuma me boy me to be the actually.
Ya can't even to nature.
Oh, we said normal see no but America Bonnie
why be so crabble say what
what I say, you know, because I don't know.
And I say no nyoma what the passion and kasa troy. Because this
maybe yes.
Yes. Because they see describe when you cry.
Oh yeah, you're fearing.
Come on, for a chum, you know.
I do that. How do you do? Over. Final 10.
We have one no yenya. Emunsem no. Sa, enye munsem no.
You know, a family work. You know, among all the songs I'm making, I don't know idea. I don't know mitia a ginger me pa.
Let's just say lyrics, no, instrumentals
and
arrangements.
Yes, and the melodies.
We there fa ho nwom pa o. And then you fa ho nwom.
Eden.
Emfa.
Eno ye yen.
Emfa obi na obi ko fa mo ho.
Hey. Eno wakan de jaza no. Hey sister.
They was say to wo na mem kwa me ho sane me. Hey. Fa ho nwom.
Pacho dabi.
Enye mfa ho nwom.
Dabi. Menwum bia ye enwum a ehonte. Ah, nyame ahira so.
Se mfa nyame ahira mfa so.
Sa.
Ai.
Ene ye mfa no sai.
Because enwum we dey se kono boko ma me nkwa me ho nsane me. Ade na ma nkwa ho nsane o.
Dabi say people na usane a. Ni se onkwa utimi sane ti se ko people say on say ekwa a enye nkwa na sane.
Ai, we obi na na sane. Mo sane bo ma na e kama.
Fine. Eza bu say uyem ni wakoma nyina ye uyi.
O say e fa nyom. O sane bo be da yo yi.
Debi on say untina ka muma ka ne kwa timi fu eyi bisana. Mo say na uyem because it's one yes after me so mo say me enko achi.
Yes, I'm brave you.
Salai.
Oh wow.
Salai.
Chris Wado. Onye no nyanya nyom.
Ayebe.
Obaye.
Ayebe.
Ati ko fi acha no madam for no.
Me ka che.
O next project here that pain.
Hopefully next year. See, I feel with the
and the answer.
Yeah, killing no.
Yeah,
20.
Yeah.
Hopefully next year.
December is Ubebo show na December.
Yes, 26.
Oh wow.
Oh, go Kusi, yeah.
Okay.
26 December, yeah. 26 December,
Artist Ben or the motor so.
We're looking at Famille, KK
Fosu,
Kumi guitar, and I think there's more coming. But hopefully by next week now, yeah, finalize.
Okay. And our current song, yeah, yearly.
I don't say, I don't need, and you know, that's the song of the moment.
Yearly.
You know, yeah, the song of the moment. God damn.
Inspiration different here.
If you're young person. Yeah, fear about the it's you know. Is it still high life though? But I decided because me all round artist and then a musician. I will not say musician. And music is also dynamic. So I decided, why not? Come on, I can do it. It's not like I can't do it. I didn't think I'm in family there, now I'm in family there, so
I blend it.
I'm infusing now. But I think that for so far it's on fire.
At your phone near for Ayele na Yebono. Ayele is the new tune in town. Ayele nede. Kesipi unyu mi de nye easy.
There was super brain.
Indeed, it's now so blendy.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
This is so nice. Sincerely speaking, this is nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice.
Thank you.
I am here about 26.
I was 22 years.
Wow. Solid.
Madam, Patino. But me boo name. Still grandin.
You know
what I'm saying?
Yeah. Nice song. Oh yeah, dear. Until last question. Are you married?
Not
yet.
Half and half.
Say kakra.
Oh, say that area out there, and I'm a person.
When in your home. But when you be with her.
Yeah, Jim.
Aye.
Whatever.
KCP, please, your final words for listeners.
Well, thank you guys so much for having me this morning, and also I really appreciate your input, your support, your effort, and everything. I must say, I mean, Shamo, Obibia, follow me for the past 22 years. I mean, Shamo, and your almost streaming, Tommy, Apple Music. These are all the streaming platforms. Me that must say, I mean, Shamo, on show mo baby, omo yiska be a film. I mean, Shamo, I feel me mama official part in advance.
Yeah, that's it.
26 December, we're live. Because OT live papa and young papa. Gold Coast is the place. Come join us.
Take it and say you're free.
Take it.
Pacho.
Yeah.
You may be at all here and then
you're
out.
free. Yeah,
Take it never out and then you're buying
yeah,
Pacho. And about Pacho, my young hour.
I'm ready to swan. Meaning say a band.
Pacho Mate. That's it. Be brave. You shall see a toy and safra or buy it.
Mr. Madam was to say my friend.
Nyame adom china happy holiday in advance so bibia nyame hyamu nyina nyame adom china e bese ye hia wa ha ye be sorry ma news phone na brem 12 o'clock news nyame hyamu nyina se modi odo ne nkabom nyame ewie program yi nyame adom china same time same place bye bye.